Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add chapters to YouTube videos. The first thing I want you to do is come at the top right, click on your profile icon, and then click here on YouTube Studio. So once you're redirected to your YouTube Studio, come here, click on Content, and you'll be able to see all your videos. All you need to do is click here on Details on any of these videos. So let's say this one right here. So we'll click on Details, and then what I need you to do is scroll down until you see right here automatic chapters. Make sure this is toggled on. We have this check mark, okay, like this. Make sure it's toggled on, then go ahead and hit save. Now that will add chapters automatically to that video. If you want it to be for all your upcoming videos and your previous videos, all you need to do is come here and hit settings on the left hand panel, and then I want you to come here and click on upload defaults, choose advanced settings, and just make sure automatic chapters, this one is toggled on. Okay, and then hit save and you're done. It's really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.